In this short and basic video, I will show you how to repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. So guys, if you are facing runtime error or MS VCP error or different type errors, so easy and quick way to repair these all type of errors. Just repair your Microsoft Visual. So search control panel. Now here click on programs. Now here click on install a program. Now just select 2015 Microsoft Visual, then change, and here click on repair. So once you done and once repair process will complete, close and restart your system. So this is the quick and easy method guys to repair Microsoft Visual C++ and still you are facing problems, so just uninstall and reinstall. Given link in description, I will give the link in description. So visit this site here, Microsoft Visual, and download and install as your system like 64 or 32-bit. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.